Hello everyone, in today's video we will start with AWS Management Console. This is the homepage you will reach whenever you log into your AWS account, and from here you will be able to access all AWS services. What you see here are called widgets. So accidentally if you delete any of these widgets, you'll be able to bring them back by clicking on add widgets or by selecting reset to default layout. AWS frequently adds new widgets to its catalog. For example, Security Hub, Manage Instances, Ops, Summary, Patch Compliance widgets are the new type of widgets that they have added recently. So let's try to add them. So I have to favorite, Managed Instance, Ops, Patch, Add, and you'll be able to see those widgets here. Currently I do not have anything running on AWS because if you remember from our previous video, we just created our account. There is nothing running on this account. And I also want to walk you through how to search for your services. If you know which services you want to go, you can just come here to the search window and you can type. The first services that we will be checking today is called IAM. It's Identity and Access Management. Select the first option that you get from the search window, manage access to your AWS resources. And if you do not know or if you want to explore other AWS services, then you can click on this service, this icon here, and you can see all the 200 plus services are grouped together by their category. Or for example, machine learning is having all these different services that you can access, and security and identity and compliance will be having the service called IAM. That is what we are trying to access right now. So once you create your first AWS Free Tier account, the first thing you have to do is secure your root user. As I mentioned before, root user should have a strong password and also have MFA enabled. So let's add MFA. I'm going to click on add MFA here. I'm going to click activate MFA. I'm going to give a name to it. So let me give it as Google Auth. We are going to use virtual MFA device. Click continue. These are the list of applications that you can use. If you are Android, these are the different applications. If you use iOS, these are the different applications that are supported. Or if you are having any kind of MFA device that you are using today, even though it is not listed here, you can still use those applications as well. So if you click on show QR code, scan it using my Google Authenticator, and I will enter the MFA code, consecutive MFA codes. I'm going to enter my first code, my second code, and assign MFA. So once you see this message, your MFA is registered, and click close, you should be able to see your MFA registered here. This is the first step to secure your root credential. Once this is done, click on the users, and now we are going to create a new user. For our day-to-day activity, we will not be using the root user. Let's create a new user. I'm going to name this as an admin user. I need access, let's say admin. I need access key, programmatic access, and also I need the AWS Management Console. I'm going to give a custom password. So user must create a new password at next sign in. Uncheck this if you want to change your password. Since it's for you, you don't need this right now. So the username is admin, and I'm going to name it as admin AWS 5. Yeah. Access permission. So you can directly attach permission to the user, or you can create a group. In this case, we are going to create a group. Group name is going to be admins, and you're going to attach administrator access policy. Create policy. Next, if you want to add tag, you can add. It's not required right now, so let's create user. And now this user is created. Download the CSV file, and this would be your AWS Management Console sign-in link. So what you have to do is you click on close, and if you go back to your IAM dashboard, you will have the security recommendations checked. So you do not have any root user who's having any access keys. That is good. We don't need. And root user is having MFA. That is good. We have one user, and if you see the sign-in URL, this is the sign-in URL. All our IAM users will be using it. So here, to create an account alias, if you click create, and you can name this as AWS 5. So now this link becomes my URL. Save changes. Already taken. Let's try. AWS 5. Okay, that's nice. So that's all you have to do as a root user. So you are all set. You have secured your account, you have enabled MFA, you have created a user so that user can access this account as an admin, and you have a sign-in URL copied. So let's go and click the top leftmost your account name and click sign out. So once you are completely signed out, close all the tabs, go paste the URL that you copied. IAM sign-in URL will take you to this page where you can see the account ID or the account alias which we have set it up. It's AWS 5-80, and whatever value you set it up for your account. The IAM username that I have given is admin_AWS 5, and my password, and I've selected remember this account by clicking sign in. It will take you to the console homepage, but now if you see on the top right corner, you will see, if you click on the drop down, you will see the account ID. This is my account ID, and this is the IAM user that I'm logged in. So I have logged into the same account by as an IAM admin user rather than a root user. In the next video, we will see how to use the credentials that we have downloaded for this IAM admin user and perform few programmatic access using those credentials. Thank you.